Going over OCGN here on April 9th, 2025. And today we are up about 6% today, 62 cents here. Just want to go over some support levels to keep an eye out for, as well as resistance levels on the upside moves, right? With our current price being 62 cents, we did hit this support here right around 49 or 50 cents here. We got to that low of 51 cents before having a pretty massive bounce all the way back up to 80 cents. And then here having this pullback, right? Overall market is a bit volatile, so something to keep in mind in terms of support is going to be 51 cents or even 49 cents if you want to compare that to the current prices. This is just something to be wary about. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but it's something in the realms of possibility, right? 50 cents here, 20% drop from our current price. In terms of upside move, I do believe 84 cents eventually will get tested. You could tell that we attempted that test here towards 84, but we got to a high of 80 and then rejected, right? Watch for 84 cents here in the future to be tested. And again, from our current price, that's right around a 32% move. I'm zooming out here and I'm on the daily chart because I do believe that these resistance here towards the top side are going to be tested. Once the overall market starts rallying and headed up towards the top side again, expect these resistances to potentially be tested. All right, so $1.11 there, going to be right around a 75% move. You've got $1.30, 106% move, followed by $1.49. That's almost 136% there. 172, right around 174%. And eventually, I do think $2.10 is going to be tested. And again, be sure to follow your own due diligence. I think it's just a matter of time and catalyst before OCGN does spike up to these levels, right? It looks quite crazy here from where we're at the moment, but if you just zoom out in the past, it's happened before and it could happen again. So that's why I'm just saying be patient and keep this in mind. $2.10 here could potentially be retested. And that's close to a 233% move towards the top side. So if anything, I wouldn't be panic selling here. Obviously, OCGN could drop further down. The thing is, if you look at it in the past, we've had times when it fell down to these lows of even 34 cents before ripping all the way back up to $2.10. And so whether you are short-term or long-term on OCGN, keep in mind that catalysts will potentially spike OCGN again. And that's just something to keep in mind of, as well as these resistance levels could potentially become future support levels as well. Let me know what you think down below in the comments for OCGN. Personally, I think the risk reward here is obviously, honestly, I'm leaning towards even getting into more position of OCGN here just because the upside potential is so much more than the downside in my personal opinion. Of course, we could potentially even drop down to about 36 and the drop there is right around 47%. But looking at those recent highs there of $2.10, I really think it's at a reasonable price to be loading in between 84 and 50 cents. This just looks like a loading phase in my opinion if you are looking to play the rip up towards the top side there. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and if you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description. It's free to join. We have over 32,000 people there for stocks and options. Also, OCGN dedicated chat section is going to be in our Discord as well. If you are looking for live entries and exits, you can also join our Patreon. Currently, we have a permanent discount promotion going on as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So check out the Patreon link, see if there's any open available spots. And again, live entries and exits on stocks and options from multiple analysts there on Patreon. So joining Patreon, you'll unlock the VIP channels on Discord there. Totally optional. And again, if you don't want to join the Patreon, join the Discord. That way you can chat with other OCGN shareholders. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for OCGN.